So, Fede, one of the many criticisms of Marxism is the lack of intersectionality. Yangithola? Ukuthi even though Karl Marx provided us with a profound or a great lens into understanding ukuthi how society is structured, the power dynamics between the bourgeois class, the ruling class, and the proletariat, the working class, about how the means of productions bahlezi organized for the ruling class, bourgeois class bahlezi benefit. Even though this lens of the class is very important, but race in an African context now is very important, or intersectionality kahle kahle ngokwayo nje is very important in an African context yabo, because South Africa, for example, nabantu gained class privileges based on their race. So we cannot just say ukuthi this is an issue of a class where the ruling class bafuna ukuppressa the working class without including race yabo. And also indaba race, it's not just about race, even the gender in itself. Genders in which they gained privileges because they are men or because they are women, which is men, obviously. Most guys want privileges because they are men. Nakona awekho maybe systematic, mara they are social privileges. So obviously, Marxism is important, mara when so let's in an African context, when it's interpreting in an African context and take the idea of which class is very important. But this is means the class is the only important thing is the in which you must shy away from. Similar to in Russia, when you Lenin takes Marxism, he adopted in a Russian context, then it becomes Leninism. Even no Mao Zedong, in Marxism, where adopt Maoism, even no Stalin, in Stalinism. So Nazis are Africans. If so, the mighty as that's why interpreting in which is in an African context.